Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to put your SIM card inside Samsung Galaxy S21, and the method is the same also for S21 Plus and Ultra. So let's do it. So to do that, first just look inside your box for the pin, and here is the pin. The slot for the SIM card is here in the bottom of your phone, and just put the pin here and push it. And this is the slot, and here is for the SIM 1 and here for the second SIM. And now let's put inside the two SIMs. Okay. This is the first one, and on the back I will put the second one. Like this, and this is how it looks. Okay, and now let's put it back the slot. Okay, push it and just power on your phone. Now to remove the SIMs, just power off your phone. Put again the pin into the slot, push it, and now remove the slot and remove the two SIMs like this and put it back. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.